Okay, we survived the night, and it's day 2 of the Great South Dakota Blizzard of 2013 in the RV park. Stuck and stranded. Drifts.
We slept here last night.
Yeah, we slept on the couch. We try to conserve our propane. We shut off the front area and shut off the bedroom so we wouldn't have to heat as much.
The bedroom got what, 50?
Down in the 50s, yeah, the bedroom did, something like that. And then we had to start the generator every 5 hours or so to charge the batteries back up, because the batteries is what powers our furnace. See, we got no juice. Self-folding summers went out last night. Luckily it came back on. We're fixing to go outside and see what it looks like out here. You can see some of the snow, how deep it is.
Look at the drifts.
Some of our neighbors. There's a road right up there past the fence. And there's a car up there all turned sideways. Something happened to him during the night. So we're fixing to get out here and do a little shoveling. See how far we get. See if we can't knock the snow off the satellite. Maybe get something. I see something up there. I don't know. Alrighty, let's go outside. No, let's see. Wait a second. What else? Yeah.
Is that a plow?
It could be.
Stuck?
Oh, to get focused.
That's not good.
And then we got a brand new pair of Kentucky boots sitting here. Fixing to put them on Sherry. She's never wore Kentucky boots before, so this will be an experience for her, and I'm sure it'll look great. See you in a minute. Okay, Sweet Pea, you ready to go outside?
South Dakota, 2013.
A lot of snow.
A lot of snow.
And look at her Kentucky boots. Ain't they just precious?
I'm styling.
Yes, she is. Bless her heart. All right, I got mine on.
Before you know it, everybody's going to want one of these.
That's right. This is it. We are the
Hey,
bomb.
watch the step.
Yeah, it's slicker.
Because it came in.
Okay.
Woo! It came in. Oh!
Oh, that's ice.
Be careful.
Careful, easy does it. Oh, bright light, bright light.
Hey, you want your ruler?
No, I'll get that later. I can tell it's deep. Holy moly. You having troubles?
Oh gosh. Holy cow. Why did that go back in?
Because it's set to do that. I need to do a little digging. Holy cow. Oh, look at him. Up to my kneecap. She's shoveling with her feet.
Yep. Maybe the steps can come back out now.
Alright.
There, see, there's the grass.
Alright, let's start. Oh, golly! I can't hardly walk. Holy moly, I'm going to fall over. This is...
It's going to be deeper in my boots.
Yeah, the snow's deeper than our boots.
Oh,
Poor Pepper the car, it's all covered up. Oh, gee, many crickets, what a drift. Alright. Sweepy, I don't think your little short legs can get back here. Oh. Wow. A lot of digging. I'm going to work my way around here, honey. Oh! Strike a pose. Look at all that ice.
What's on top?
Oh yeah, look at the top.
Woohoo!
Ah!
Oh, dang.
Hope my boots hold up. Go back here and, hey, satellite dish is uncovered now. It might work. Oh gosh, look at those icicles. They could put your eye out. Come on, Sweet Pea, you can do it.
Oh my gosh! Ah! Holy cow! Look at that! Wow!
You like it? I got a sewer hose here somewhere. It'll take a while to dig out. The sewer hose is here somewhere. It's all buried. Look at that. Look at it. It's above the picnic table. Oh my goodness. Look at the poor trailer.
Oh, what about the trailer?
Yeah, a lot of digging. A lot of digging. Oh jeez. That couple was from Holland. They just love the snow, evidently. They've been having a big time. Oh, gosh, this is crazy. I never It's above my kneecap.
Holy cow.
Come on, Sweet Pea, you can do it.
Stay still.
Stay still. All right, I want to see you.
Holy cow.
I want to see you walk through this stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, sweetie. Come on, dig. Let's go. We ain't got all day. Mush.
It's way past.
I know. Mush.
Holy cow.
Come on, just 10 more steps, woman. It gets better out here.
It's almost to my. I took a picture of something.
Better get out of your way before you fall on me.
Oh. Holy cow.
That's good stuff. Hello, neighbor.
Hi, neighbor. Hello. Hi.
Are you having fun yet?
Yeah, I'm having fun. Isn't it awesome?
Did you dig this trail for us?
No, the neighbors, he tried to dig a hole, a path out of the...
Oh my goodness.
We were looking at him, I said...
Oh, that's no road, that's all grass.
No, that's what. But there will be someone coming to plow.
Yeah, he tried to
today.
leave yesterday and didn't get very far. I'm doing a little video. You're gonna be on YouTube.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the mountains up there
Oh,
and the snow. Beautiful.
I mean, look at the trees. And tomorrow it must be beautiful.
Trees are all
Trees are
bent
getting
down.
way down. We wanted to make sure somebody could see the trailer. We didn't want somebody coming across.
Well, that was a desperate attempt.
Yeah.
Oh, wow! Look at the drift.
Yeah,
Oh, goodness.
we have a mountain in front of us.
Yeah.
Yeah. But this night it stormed. We were shaking.
Oh yeah, the wind was blowing.
wind.
You were a little covered by the house.
We were.
Our rear end was. I said, "Oh, we're gonna flip over."
Yeah.
Okay, we've made it to the top of the road here. And they say there's like 40+ inches in some places around here. The road's good if we just get to the road. That's the whole problem. It's going to take some digging. There goes Sweet Pea trying to walk. Just surrounded by beautiful trees. Nice and breezy. Not the only one stuck. We'll start digging. Alright, Sweet Pea walking through the snow. Her little boots are dragging. Dusty bones. Can you make it?
Oh yeah.
Oh jeez! Yep. Break a leg. Oh! Oh! Oh, we made it to the little path. Oh. Alright. Here we go. Alright, today's project is the Great Dig Out. So we're going to try to dig that out. Can make a little path here to the road. Look at Sweet Pea go. So there's my shovel. I am participating. Alright. Back to work. Okay, we're dug out now. Got the truck out, got to town, got some gas so we can fuel people back up with the generators. Still, as we went to town, there's power lines down everywhere, so it might be a while before any electric gets up here. So the next challenge is try to dig us a road for the RVs. The RVs go out at the lower end. So I don't know if we can get enough people to start digging. That'd be a long haul, but that might be what we have to do. Okay, update on digging process. Sweet Pea did a good job. She dug out the sewer pipe. It was quite deep. She did a good job at that. And I've been working on the stand straight, not fall down. I've been working on the RV side, digging out from around it. And we dug out around the car. And all we gotta do is just make a path down that way to the highway. We'll see how it goes. Looking a lot better. Another day of digging. Alright, not more digging. I'm down the grass now. We see grass. Just gotta get the trailer dug out. That'll help. Still trapped. But it's a beautiful day to be trapped. Beautiful out here. If we weren't trapped.